Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how we can use WebFlow. First, open your dashboard. Now go to the New Site option. You can start with a blank page, or you can use a template. Here we will use template. WebFlow offers a number of high-quality templates. Select the one that you like. Now give your site a name, and click on Create Site. After loading, your site will open. Now customize the text simply by clicking on it. You can easily edit the text. You can even play with the spacing, padding, and size settings from the Style panel. You can give the text a color of your choice. You can easily add CMS to your website. If you have added it to your collection, you can add logical flows. You can enable e-commerce to make your site an online shop. You can add previously used designs as components. Load your assets here to keep your project organized and add them easily to your page just by dragging. You can also play with the style settings to position and control the look of your image. Once you are good with it, you can preview it and share with your team or friends. Now publish it and you are done. If you found the video useful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.